Hey, hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? Good afternoon. So it's afternoon over here and I'm going to pick my children from school, and I thought I should film this fun game with you guys. Hold on a bit, let me cross the road and then we'll start. All right, I hope your day is going so well. Okay guys, catch you in a bit. All right, so guys, the game, what is the game all about, you may ask? So it is a this or that challenge. So it's either you like this or you like the other one. I hope that makes sense. Anyways, as we proceed, you're going to get to understand how the game works. So first thing first is cat or dog. Like, do I prefer cats or dogs? As for me, I would say none of them. I don't like none of them. But if I am to choose, like it is a must, then I'd probably go for a dog. Reason being that, you know, when I'm watching some videos on the internet, I kind of see how some dogs behave. Like, they behave with so much intellect or intelligence. Like, they behave so nicely, and some of them put smiles on my face. So none of them will, but I can go for a dog. The second one is phone call or text messages. This is kind of confusing. For me, I personally love talking with you. Like, I want us to talk. I want us to have a conversation rather than typing it, if that makes sense. I don't like typing. I don't like chatting. I'd rather send you a voice note than to type, if you ask me to choose. But both of them, but mostly phone calls. Yeah. Now the third one is Netflix or YouTube. YouTube, I don't even need to think about this one. Like, there's nothing to think about. So it's definitely YouTube for me. YouTube all the way. Never even been on Netflix anyway, so it's got to be YouTube always. The fourth one is going to be clothes or phone. Like, new clothes or new phone. I will definitely go for new clothes. Take me shopping for new clothes. I will go there and shop. Forget about new phone. The one I have is still working. So it is definitely new clothes. The fifth one is big parties or small get-together. It is definitely small get-together for me, because I am not a crowd person. Like, I don't like being in crowd, like in a crowded area. You can't find me there. And even if I'm there, I am not comfortable. Just know that I'm not comfortable in a crowded area or in a crowded environment. So it is definitely a small get-together, small gathering for me. Now the sixth one is basketball or football. Neither of them. Okay, none of them. I don't like, you can't find me watching a football match or people playing basketball. I'm not a sport woman. I'm not a sport person, so none of them. Now the seventh one will be hold on, let me play hard or work hard. Who wants suffer? Like, tell me, who wants suffer for this life? It's definitely play hard for me, because your girl wants to chop life, enjoy life, and play harder, even harder, not even play hard, play harder. Okay. So the 8th one is going to be I heard someone shouting. So the 8th one is shopping online or shopping in a physical store. Personally, I prefer shopping in a physical store. Reasons being that if I go there, I can get to touch whatever it is that I want to buy. If possible, try them on. But with online shopping, you can't do that. Like, you can't do that. But I mostly shop online anyways. But I prefer physical store shopping. I'm close to the school. Let me stand here and finish up my video, then I'll go and get my kids. They have not yet opened the gate, so I'm still early. So the 9th one, I'm going to do 10 and then we'll conclude. So the 9th one is going to be, sorry guys, I know this video is going to be filled with so much cut and joint. So the 9th one is going to be, in a partner, do you prefer your partner to be intelligent or funny? My partner must be intelligent, okay? Mark my word. Must. That word must. You must be intelligent. You can be funny, you can be funny once in a while or even all the time, but you must definitely be intelligent. So the 10th one, which is the last one, is Twitter or Facebook. Of course, Facebook now. Which one is Twitter? Waiting at the tweet. I'm not even on Twitter to start with, so it's definitely Facebook for me. They are beginning to look at me. Anyways, I'm doing my job. Some of them are probably coming out from their place of work, so this is me coming out from my house and still walking on the road. So guys, that is it for this video. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to click the like button, share this video as well, so that others can have fun watching it, and then leave yours in the comment section. Okay, let's have fun in the comment section. I love you all. Mwah. Bye and have a lovely day.